Hello everyone, I am Shreya Verma. Today we will discuss about daily life examples of physics. Now here comes our first example. This is an alarm clock. Now obvious the alarm clock is a mechanical machine, but the working principle which is able to wakes you up is lying in wave nature of sound. Sound is a mechanical wave. An alarm clock at a mechanical level produces those sound waves of definitely a very high frequency, relatively a shrill voice or shrill sound which wakes you up. This is something that you learn in class 11 in the chapter called as a wave. That is where you get to know how sound waves as a mechanical wave propagate through a medium. Now, the second example is how hot cup of tea gets colder. So this is something which commonly you get to know in chemistry, but you study a lot about in physics as well. The law is nothing but law of thermodynamics. What does it say? It says that if you have any hot object coming in contact physically with any cold object, then there will be transfer of energy from hot object to cold object. In this process, the temperature of hot body will fall down and the temperature of cold body will rise up till the time they both achieve the same temperature, which we call as the situation of thermoequilibrium. So this is why that hot cup of tea, if you are not consuming it, if it is placed on the table, it will get colder, only colder enough that it achieve the same temperature as the room temperature. Now the third example is jogging. When you look at the physics behind it, the basic reason of anything moving, as you know, lies in the Newton's law of motion. So here also the reason, fundamental reason why we are able to jog or walk is the Newton's third law of motion. When you try to move, you push the ground from one leg, the other leg, as you can see, is always in air. So the leg which is in contact with the ground tries to put the ground. You apply the action force on the ground as the reaction. Ground applies a reaction force on your body and hence you move forward. That's what you actually do whenever you walk or you jog. Now, the next is ballpoint pen. Now, this is something which I am sure most of us do not know about. So the fundamental reason before even in I speak about fundamental reason of working of a ball is the design of a ball itself. So you know there is a spherical small object which is in the tip of this pen. That is why it is called a ball point pen. So this is ball which is at the tip of the pen. The refill, whenever you try to write anything on the paper, you fundamentally are moving the pen on the paper by bringing it contact, and you are actually moving that pin, and this is the process you are making the ball roll. So when the ball rolls, there is a certain gain which is there between the ball and the filling because of the gravitational effect. The ink flows down and that's make the writing possible. Have you ever tried to writing upside down? Take a paper like up and try to write, will not be able to write. Why? Because it's gravitational force which makes the fluid come down. Now these are the examples of daily life examples of physics. We are actually do this like every day. So that's